right, good morning. Go here. Oh, shoot. That didn't work. I tried spinning it around and the thing came off. Anyway, hey, Goob here, Goob's Outdoors. It is, well, what is today? Wednesday morning. And I got an early start. I woke up early, about 5:30-ish. I missed a squirrel. And decided, you know what? I can get on the road. So I did not have cell coverage last night at Steamboat Junction in Bluffton, Missouri. So I couldn't tell the weather forecast and what it's going to do, but I had heard it potentially could rain tonight pretty heavily. So there's a hunch and there's an intuition that if I feel good today, I may just keep on going and try to get all the way to St. Charles and then start driving back down to Dallas. But we'll see. Oddly enough, I just tried shifting my gears and it went down to a lower gear and now wouldn't go back up to a higher gear. So you take the good with the bad. It's all good. It is an absolute beautiful morning and I think it's going to be a fantastic day to ride. Stay tuned, let's see what happens. Brother, not another one of these guys. Huh, that's a big one too. Okay. I'm gonna walk it first. But I think I can get around. Looks like other people have. Let's see what I can do here. I'm taking my trailer off. I'll do one at a time. It only makes sense. There's no snakes in Missouri, right? Shoot. Okay. That is one big log tree. Log. Okay. Okay, hey, I made it! I made it! I took it all apart, went down around there by the road and came back up, but it's always fun. Hey, how you doing? Good morning. You know they're laughing at me. All right, back on the trail. All right, here we are coming up to bridge number 83 for my count. And this is called Quick Creek. Weight limit 20 tons. I don't think my U-Haul weighs that much. Let's see how quick this creek is. Oh, it's not too bad. That's pretty quick. I've been pedaling about an hour today. This is the Trail River. And I'm gonna stop right here and take 5 at my hour break. What a great place to do it too. This is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Great little river. Big old storm right behind me. It's a coming. It might miss me. If I keep going hard, I think I can stay in front of it and it'll miss me and go up north, but we shall see. It's, oh man, it's coming hard. It's a big one too. We'll see what happens. It'll be interesting. And that storm is still behind me. I just looked and it's tracking me. And it's gonna be ugly. So I either gotta figure out how close it's gonna get to me and then find a bridge to go underneath or something, because I think it's gonna be a serious one. So stay tuned. It's number 93. And this is Lost Creek. Oh, that's a nice one. This has some history here. There's the Missouri out over there. Okay, here I am. I don't know, 19 miles, 2 hours into my ride today. And look at those gorgeous bluffs. Okay. I'm gonna teach everyone a lesson. This is why you wear one of these silly little shells on your head. So I'm up here looking at the bluff, and lo and behold, I crash. Right there. I was tied in and I did hit my derailleur side again, but it seems to be fine. We'll see as I get going. I mean, it was just gravel. It's just whatever. It's not a big deal, a little skinned up, but hey, you just never know. There could have been boulders there or whatever. There's a lot around here. So, hey, be safe out there. Peace out. Oh, and I should add too, there's geese all over. I'm trying to see where they're at, and I don't see them, but they're out here somewhere. So me trying to bird watch, trying to look at some cliffs, caused a little fall. So anyway, peace out. Huh. They did not want me to disturb their meal. There we have it. She's right behind me and she's coming fast. Am I faster? I want to get this one. I'm gonna be here for a little while. The storm is massive. It's coming hard. Cute little pen.